see them real time over the last 24 hours as the storms rolled through late last night. And you saw the track. You can see it take that turn to the south, and all the tornado reports following here, the storms that rolled through Indiana and Ohio last night. So here it is right now. This is just over the last couple of hours. First at the top of the radar, dry across Michigan, dry right now in Indiana and Ohio, but more thunderstorms likely develop along a frontal boundary that's just south of us, and northern Ohio could get more strong thunderstorms later this afternoon and this evening. So our forecast at home is dry right now. It's just a little breezy this afternoon. Temperatures are ranging across the 70s. We have 78 in Detroit, 79 in Monroe, but you head to the north, it's only 71 in Pontiac. That's still warm, but not as warm as it is farther south in Wayne, Washtenaw, Monroe, and Lenawee counties. And then it's just down to 63. That's the temperature right now in Lapeer, and about 65 in Flint. So in the 60s across the thumb. Temperatures start to fall in the next hour or two, and we'll be around the mid-70s most of the day around Troy and around Farmington Hills, and Ferndale. So highs pretty much what the temperature is outside right now. We're in the mid to upper 70s. Overall breezy this afternoon. A passing shower is possible, but it's more than likely we're going to end up dry for the rest of the day today. And then tonight, the chance of rain goes up after midnight. This would be overnight. We may see some rain. Some of it could hold off until about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, but we do have an increasing chance of rain overnight through tomorrow morning. So this is 4 o'clock this afternoon. Thunderstorms across northern Ohio, once again moving west to east, so it should stay south of us. This is 8 p.m. We roll forward past midnight now, and you see a couple of showers. And tomorrow morning, there could be some pockets of heavy rain, possibly some thunder, but the rain's going to be off and on, it looks like, throughout the day tomorrow. A cloudy day tomorrow with the chance of rain in the morning and afternoon before we dry out later on in the evening. So 73 will be our high tomorrow, but be prepared. That could be a rainy morning drive, and we could see some showers lingering into tomorrow afternoon as well. So stay tuned and check back in with us tomorrow morning to find out where the rain is. 74 on Thursday, chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Dry Friday before another chance of rain arrives Saturday. Saturday we could have morning and afternoon showers, but temperatures will be in the 70s through